Welcome to our video this time. Last week we were checking out the Hot Wheels long jump pack and we thought, how can we make this even cooler? Why not jump these 6 Hot Wheels monster trucks? And the goal is to stick the landing on the other side. And we think it could be awesome. Who are we kidding? It will be awesome. So let's start now. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. That like button, but most of all, thanks for watching.